Hi, good afternoon. This is Robiul Mandol, and this is my second video in my class. And this is break time, and I am having my meal now. And these food are shared by my students. And there are different types of food here: chow mein and fried rice, parotha. There are two types of parotha: potato parotha and the Malabar parotha, and roti and some vegetables. Uh, this is a type of dish. I don't know what is that name. What is the name of this food? And they are my students. They are having their meal and they are sharing their food to their friends. Okay, and it is one of the good habit. Okay, look at the camera. Hi, say hi. Okay, she's Janatun. She's Yashika, and she is Shumona. She's Morjina. She's Fatima. Look at the camera. Okay. And she's Shampa. Shampa, look at the camera. And she's Rohima. Look at the camera, Rohima. Okay. And she is, what is your name? Ruksha. She is Ruksha and she's Kainat. And what is your name? Shohana. She is Shohana. So it is a good habit. They are quietly having their food. This is a lacha parota. Uh, this is a piece of roti. This is rice papad, and this is aloo parota, potato parota. Actually, it is known as aloo parota. Uh, these are types of chow mein. Um, these are fried rice. It is tasty. I am eating the food items. I mix the chow mein with fried rice. It is so tasty. They are my students. So my stomach is fully packed, but there are some food items remain now. It is remain yet. Now they have finished their meal and they are playing now. And we have to clean the floor again. They are so happy to share their foods. Yeah, they're drinking water here. They're drinking water together. She's also playing there. They have shyness. They don't like to come in front of camera. They're going. Guys, I make this video for my students. If you like this video, just share it to your friends. Thank you for watching this video.